Requirements for the use of the crane truck. The use of the crane must be carried out exclusively by qualified personnel, in possession of the qualifications required by current legislation, and specifically trained for the safe use of the vehicle. To use the crane, the following operations must be followed. Preliminary check of the work area. The area concerned must be adequately delimited and marked to prevent access by unauthorized persons. The conditions of the ground must be checked to ensure its stability and the absence of interference that could compromise the stable positioning of the vehicle and the safety of operations. Positioning and stabilization. The crane must be stabilized using the appropriate stabilizers, with the possible use of bases made of resistant material, the support plates, to distribute the load on insufficiently compact terrain. Lifting plan. Each lifting operation must follow a detailed plan, including the operating methods, the maximum permissible loads, and the planned route for loads at height. Loads and lifting accessories. The loads to be handled must be anchored with suitable lifting accessories, such as chains, straps and hooks, checked and in good condition. It is not permitted to lift loads that exceed the nominal capacity of the crane indicated in the technical manual. Prohibition of standing under the load. It is prohibited to stand or walk under the movement path of the load. The person in charge must monitor and ensure that the area is cleared during all operations. Monitoring weather conditions. Lifting operations must not be carried out in adverse weather conditions, such as strong winds, heavy rain, or poor visibility. In such cases, the activity must be suspended. Maintenance and checks. The crane must undergo periodic maintenance in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and current legislation. Before each use, the operator must carry out a visual inspection to verify the absence of damage or anomalies. Communication and coordination. During operations, the personnel involved must use manual signals or communication systems, radio, walkie-talkie, to coordinate effectively and reduce the risk of errors or accidents. In the event of emergencies or anomalies, the activity must be immediately suspended to evaluate the necessary corrective actions. Any violation of these provisions will be considered a serious breach, with any sanctions and liability being charged to the executing company. Safety is not a document, it is a commitment. Watch this video, watch it again, become aware, learn and share. Your life and that of your colleagues are your goal.